In this video we'll show how to get rid of some creaking noise coming from the frame when you camber back and forth. So we'll start by kind of releasing the brakes. Okay, no parking brake, so you can camber trike back and forth. So if you're having like a creaking noise, probably it's coming from this axle. You know, these washers here, they need to be lubricated, have lubrication on the faces. It can come from the peel, the rubber bushing on the center part, that is there's a metal bushing on the center part if this bolt is not well tight, or can come from the outer case of this bushing against the aluminum bore, so we can put some lubricant in between. Another source of noise or creaking noise is the stopper here, the folding stopper. So when you fold it, you retract here, you pull the lever, and there's an adjuster under here. There's a bolt that you move it out or in to adjust the tension of the cambering area. So you have to perfectly adjust this tension, but to do so you will have to lose that little set screw. You have one on this side as well. Back out this bolt or push it in according if you need more or less tension. But also you adjust this and put some grease on this face, because the face of the bolt will rest against the face of this plastic part and they make some noise. So putting a little bit of grease here on both surface will help. So you see that this cambering lever is way too loose. Okay, we will adjust this first. So this is the way you will adjust this tension. As I said, it's too easy. So we'll lose that screw. Okay, so I will insert this wrench there. It looks like it's kind of engaged, but it's not. It's a little tighter. Okay, so by moving that bolt in and out, so I have to move out to give more tension. Once I move it out the angle I want, I will test, and you see it's stopping here before getting straight, and yeah, this is the tension we want. So I will finish now by tightening this set screw. Yeah, so now it stays in that position, and if you need to open this, you can pull by your hand or you can lever here. Okay, so this bolt will stay, the stopper will stay where you set it. Okay, so it's important that you have nice tension on the folding mechanism so there's no movement. So I will show how to lubricate. Let's keep the track this way, and we'll have to check if this bolt is tight. You see this is not tight. I will tight really well. I will add oil. You see I'm adding oil only on the outside. Okay, and you will do this movement here, up and down, and let it sit for a while. Let it sit for a while here, that the oil will get in. So do this on both sides. The next step will be to put oil on those spaces. So we'll start by adding oil on both sides of this washer and let the oil, you know, go around the washer. It will get in. The same over there and the same on the other side. So I'm adding oil on the washer, so it goes on both sides of the washer. Now we'll need some movement here, because this moves just a little bit. We'll need some movement so the oil get in. To do so, I will lock the brakes or release the front brake. Keep the handlebar straight and lock it. Put the handlebar, the front of the trike, on the carpet here. And also let's add some oil to the yoke. Do you see the yoke here? We'll put oil in between the metal part, this center part, and the yoke. There's a plastic bushing there. So put oil here and we'll move this cambering mechanism. See what I'm doing here? So look closer. You see movement here, you see movement here, and you see movement on the yoke. So this way we'll move back and forth until the oil penetrates and gets in. So you will be okay now. Okay, and the noise should go away. Give more time and keep moving the cambering side to side, so that noise should disappear.